Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a wig install. So I'm just going to clean my forehead to remove all the oil excess with alcohol. And over here I'm just putting my edge control just to lay the baby hair down and just push it back. So I'm working with a flat surface. Okay, just push it. And for the wig, this is the wig that I'm going to be using. I love the color of this wig. I believe I got it on AliExpress. I've been having this wig for like 5 years and up, guys, and I love the color of the wig, yo. But it's just not full. I'm just going to use this wax stick just to go and put the hair back, so like that is easy for me to install. And I'm going to go in with my brush just to push it back, so like that everything is out of the way. And I'm just going to try to place it here just to see how it's going to look once I glue it down. And I think I like the position of it already. So I'm going to be using a melting spray. This melting spray, I bought it online. I like to use this better than the got to be glue, because the got to be glue gave me like white residue when I tried to use it earlier. And I'm just going to go and wipe my forehead because the melting spray was dripping. And I'm going to blow dry it, and I'm going to put a second layer of the melting spray, so like that it can just be tacky. And wipe it again, blow dry it, and to test it out I'm going to be using this stick, perfect stick. So I think it's ready to be glued down. So over here carefully I'm just putting the lace on the melting spray because it's tacky right now. I was having a little bit of issue, but I manage it. Just putting it down. Perfect. Make sure all the hair is down. And I'm just going to go in with my blow dryer again. And on this side, on one side, it was kind of lifting, and this blow dryer was really hot. And I put it on the lower, I put it on the lower, what do you call it? I forgot the name of it, but anyway, let me just go ahead and put some melting spray over here and just blow dry it again, so like that it can stay. Perfect. Just making sure I use my telecom just to press it down, so like that it can lay flat. And on the side here there's some lace that was lifting. Here there's no issue. I'm just going to go in with my melting spray again, just spray it down. And like I say, it does not leave white residue, which is good. Just wipe it again and blow dry it. The word I was using is the setting. The word I was looking for is the setting. It's at the lowest setting, but it was still hot. Just push it down again, and this is where I'm going to go in and put in my band, so like that the hair can be down. And while I was pushing it down, I was just leaving some hair at the front because it's easier for me to do my baby hair on the side there. And you guys can see here, just making sure my baby hair is lay flat, and also brushing it. You can never get enough of the blow dryer, yo. And go ahead, and I'm going to put in my band. And I'm going to part my hair. I tried to do like a middle part, but it was not looking good with this wig, so I just decided to do kind of like a C, kind of like a C style, like a C line. Like that, it was going to be easier, you know, like the curve shape or C, I don't know how you call it. Making sure the line was crispy. I'm going to go in with my wax stick, just press it down so like that it can remove the flyaway. Yeah, let those flyaway sit down. We don't want it to fly up. And just comb it down. You guys can see it's already slick. Don't worry about the white stuff showing on the wax stick. It's going to melt down, so it's not a big issue for that one. Just making sure the line is looking good the way I want it to look. And just comb it, just brush it down. And this is where I'm going to use my hot comb. I'm scared of using the hot comb because I'm scared of getting burned, and also I have my pen, so I'm just being really careful so like that I don't burn my forehead because I know that thing can hurt really bad, and I'm not a professional guy. So if you guys have any advice for me to lay down my wig, make sure you put it down below in the comments. It's going to help me out a lot. And I told myself this year I was going to try my best to learn how to install wig. So all of these are learning steps, guys. And over here I'm just going to remove some baby hair, so like that is easy for me to lay down and just comb it back. Yeah, so put some baby hair down. And the side hair, I was not really worried about it because it's not gonna show a lot, so that is why my baby hair is looking like that, like I don't care about it. And I'm just going to go and spray my heating spray proof, so like that when I'm using heat, it's not going to damage the hair. So I forgot how you call this spray. It's pretty much you spray it before you put heat on your hair. Comb it, and this is where I'm going to be parting my hair, and to use a flat iron, just kind of like to flat iron it, and at the bottom I'm just going to do like a little curve so it can look like a curve. Good, look at my little curve, guys. Even this yeah, it's not bad, especially for me. I'm just learning, and yeah, but I wish I had like a wand, those wand that you use to make curls. I think it's going to look really nice if I had it. And this is how the final style look, the little curl. And the bottom, I think I missed like one curl at the back there, so the back one hair was a little bit straight, but it's okay. I'm just fluffing it out so it can look full right now. And just yeah, I love the color is matching with my skin, so it's nice. And I'm going to spray some hair serum. So this is just some hair serum to make it shiny, and not bad. Like, what do you guys think? These are the back look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, peace.